Okay, so the department manager, located underneath this module configuration section, this here, department manager, this is where all of your departments are created. So whether you create it right here in the department manager, or use the department wizard, the add department here, or add department here, it'll all be stored in this department manager here in the site configuration. Now here you can create new categories of departments as well as new departments altogether. And it's really easy. You just select what you'd like, and I'll drag and drop this onto the training category. And I'll call this second department because it is the second department. Oops, department. Okay, and that's everything you need to create a department. You don't need to worry about this department feed or these periods here or anything in this editor. We just need to click publish now and save. And this works in tandem with /district/departments. And you'll see training department and second department there, all part of the training category. Now we can drag this second department into uncategorized there and save that. And then when we refresh this page, we have that uncategorized department there. So you might be seeing uncategorized there. It just means that those departments don't have categories. They're not part of any particular category. And you can actually rectify that by going into your department manager, taking those uncategorized department and placing them in a category. Okay, and that's how the department manager works.